Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share some important proverbs. Proverbs are the words, spoken words of the people of any language, and no one can the ability to change these words. And they explain the exact principles of the life. So listen carefully, and the listening power of your will be strong, and repeat with me. So let's get started. For example, number one, do at Rome as the Romans do. Do at Rome as the Romans do. Number two, cut your coat according to your cloth. Cut your coat according to your cloth. Number three, do good and care not home. Do good and care not home. Number four, do well and have well. Do well and have well. Number five, sweep before your own door. Sweep before your own door. Number six, don't cry before your heart. Don't cry before your heart. Number seven, money makes mayor go. Money makes mayor go. Number eight, blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Number nine, self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Number 10, to err is human. To err is human. Number 11, charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Number 12, every cock fights best on his own dunghill. Every cock fights best on his own dunghill. Number 13, as you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. Number 14, a bad way has a bad end. A bad way has a bad end. Number 15, he came safe from the East Indies and was drowned in the Thames. He came safe from the East Indies and was drowned in the Thames. So these are some important proverbs which are usually used in English language and literature. Try to keep learning and enjoying some more such like these proverbs. Your speaking power and your spoken English will be strong, and as well as your listening power will be perfect. If you liked the video, then like, share and subscribe for more interesting video on English language and literature. Thanks a lot.